the ending of 2025, you just randomly upload us making egg drop noodle soup at 3 a.m. in the morning. Hello everybody, welcome to Chronicles ng Bayan. This is a channel where family, passion, and love come together. My name is
Juliano.
My name is Julian and I'm 14.
Priscilla.
My name is Julian and I'm 14 years old. This is
Jeremiah and I'm 7 years old.
and we just made, what was it again?
Egg drop soup.
Egg drop noodle soup.
Not noodle soup. There's no noodles there. It's just egg drop soup.
Egg drop soup.
Egg drop soup.
Egg drop soup. So, guys, here's how we made it. Enjoy.
Okay, wash it with both hands. Okay. Jeremiah is
But
washing
this
this
part will fall
green onions. Ate is cutting. Okay.
This is give me.
Too high. And we're preparing this. And this egg and the cornstarch.
At like
Because
3
we're
a.m. in the
preparing what?
morning.
We're preparing what?
Egg drop soup. At 3 a.m. in the morning though.
Yeah.
But Daddy, this part will fall off.
It's okay. Give the ate. Oh, now ate pick only the good ones, huh? Wait. Now Jeremiah
Do I
is
still have to
preparing
mix?
the slurry, and ate will be ready to drop the egg. Oh, Jeremiah.
Slowly.
Okay, oops. Spill it. Drop it all. Yeah. There goes our egg drop soup. Very good. What's the next most important thing after cooking? What?
That's your answer.
What? He doesn't know. You know. What is it?
How come he doesn't know?
What's the next important thing?
Cleaning up.
Okay, cleaning up.
I'll do the dishes.
Okay, very good.
Me like butter.
We'll clean those up. We throw them in the garbage bin, and the rest put them back sa one. Put them back sa fridge. Go.
Is it supposed to put it on top?
Yeah, it's okay. That's fine. You can use it. Wash properly. Oops, slowly. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Go.
Is it good?
Also the outside. Clean the outside also.
I'm
Later
cleaning
na,
the
Julie.
edges.
I want to taste a bit. It's not fair.
Huh? Later na. Okay, taste a bit. What do you think? Blow. It's hot.
Wait, that's good.
Okay.
That's good.
And all the soap is washed off properly. Don't waste water though. Okay. Okay. Does it still smell like soap? Not anymore? Okay, you put them. Very good. Very good. Are you sure you rinsed them properly? Okay. Rinse properly. And Julian, go get the pamunas and clean all the sides.
I did most of the work.
Very good.
My turn.
Yeah.
Bro, this dude forgot the garlic. Why'd you forget the garlic? We
fine.
just finished.
Maybe the other one is not
Right.
still used to the garlic taste.
Okay.
Lagyan mo dyan sa pan. Ilapit mo to. Ilapit mo. Put it closer.
His name
Wow.
is Steve.
Wow.
Jeremiah,
Yes?
prepare the table.
An orange wet with white.
Wet with white.
Okay.
It's so messy.
Okay.
Oh no, that's not how you do it.
Wow.
I'll show you. Throw this one. I'll show. Throw this one.
Very good.
Look. I can score.
His name is
Oh.
Angelina.
No, not on that plant. It's already dying.
It's dead anyways.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
It's
is. Look
still
at it.
lit.
Yes,
Okay, here's one for
Why is your only
each.
shoe? Yay! Thanks.
Wait. Closer.
I almost brought the shade.
Jeremiah, get some spoon. Jeremiah. Her spoon and
Hello.
Oh wait, I'll do 12
prepare for
then.
Jeremiah. Yeah.
Just a little bit.
That is
One bone apple cake.
What?
apple tea.
What? Blow it first.
It's like regular soup.
Exactly.
Okay, go.
At this point,
Try
why
it.
did we even make it? Still good.
How is it?
It's good.
How is it?
Exhausting. Average.
What?
Average.
Is average only for you?
Average in the
It's
sense
like-
of
You
what?
prepared it.
It's like normal soup.
It does
Like
taste
the
good.
one.
Because it is normal soup.
Look at this egg. What is this? The mini noodles?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all egg.
You forgot to add the green onion.
Oh.
my
Yippee!
No, it's for you only. Add the green onion for you. Where's the green onion? You wanna put?
No,
Green
no,
onion?
no, no, no! I do not! I don't want! I
Not
don't
for you,
want!
for
What
Ate.
about the garlic powder? We can use garlic powder.
Yeah. Okay, here's the green onion.
I'll just
This is
take a little
sliced,
bit.
And this is
Wait,
garlic
wait,
powder.
wait.
I thought you were gonna eat a little bit of it. So a little bit of lettuce. Enough.
And lettuce?
Wait, this. How much should I just put?
Just one. Yeah. Okay, now
This
see
is
the
the
difference.
actual
Now taste-
soup you're supposed to be drinking.
Drinking. Drinking.
Is it better?
This is so much better.
I know.
Exactly.
You, Jeremiah, eat your soup.
Ooh, oh, I thought I was gonna give it to him.
You ate including the one?
Hmm?
The green stuff?
Hmm?
You ate the green stuff also?
Green
Yeah.
stuff!
Okay, good.
Am I not supposed to?
No, you're supposed to.
Oh.
I thought you were eating his tail.
Oh, ikaw, Jeremiah, what about you? You're not eating.
Yeah, bro.
Very good.
Goodbye, carrots.
Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye now.
No, you do it. You do the intro. I did the intro. You do the outro. Go.
What's the outro?
The ending. Go. Go.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. Share and follow, subscribe and like.
Subscribe.
I was malfunctioning.
What? Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
What's your ending supposed to be?
How's this supposed to be like? We forgot our intro.
Do the intro. And then the ending.
Welcome to Chronicles ng Bayan.
Yeah. Go. Ready, go.
You're supposed to upload this.
Yeah.